we'll take a detailed look at the features of the new Suzuki Ignis. If you're ready, let's begin. The Suzuki Ignis stands out with its unique design, combining a cute yet rugged look. Its LED-surrounded headlights, flared wheel arches, and distinctive D-pillar indents give it a bold stance. Inside, the Ignis offers a spacious cabin for 4 adults. While the materials are simple, the quality is good. The dashboard is colorful and easy to read, though the infotainment system can be a bit slow. Even the base model comes well equipped with air conditioning, a DAB radio, electric windows, and Bluetooth connectivity, while higher trims add Sat-NAV and a reversing camera. Powering the Ignis is a 1.2L 4-cylinder mild hybrid petrol engine, available in 2WD or 4WD, with 4WD models delivering over 50 mpg. The Ignis competes with cars like the Fiat Panda and Toyota Aygo X in 2WD trim. However, the 4WD model has fewer direct rivals, as the Panda 4x4 and Suzuki Jimny 4x4 are no longer available in some markets. Larger SUVs like the Dacia Duster offer similar features, but aren't as capable off-road. For an alternative, the Suzuki Swift AWD matches the Ignis in performance and pricing. If you want a stylish, compact car with good features and efficiency,